Hey, good afternoon. Hope you are all doing well. I hope you had a great trading week. I just finished up probably about 30 minutes ago, live streaming my implosion of trading my eval account. Uh, it is the second time that I have blown up live in front of the world, and neither one feels good. Not gonna lie, neither one feels very good. um, so I was trying to anticipate where the market was going instead of doing what I normally do, and that is take my 8 ticks, 2 points, take my 200 bucks times 5 accounts, 200 bucks, uh, and then rinse, lather, and repeat. This green candle right here is where I entered. Uh, it was actually before this. It was 988, so it was actually this candle is where I entered. And instead of taking 2 points profit and getting out, I thought we were going to come up here to 1700. Does this sound familiar? If you watched yesterday's video, I thought we were going to do the same thing, or maybe it was 2 days ago. We did not go to 1700, and as a matter of fact, we sold all the way back off. But here is the caveat to this, and where it really gets into problems for me is it pulls up to 94. Well, that's 6 points of profit if I would have just left it, took the 8 ticks, and then reset. Instead, I put my target up here, and if you watch the live stream from earlier, which it'll be posted. If you haven't watched it, you should. But if I wouldn't have moved the take profit, I would have been fine. I would have collected my $200. I would have been able to pass go and continue on the way. Instead, I held on to this dumpster fire until we came all the way back down here and it dropped me out at the bottom. Should have let it go. Should have kept the 8 ticks of take profit, and then I will be fine. I did pass one of my evaluations though, so now I have 7 funded accounts. That one would have been my 8th one. It popped. I didn't make it. And look what the market's doing now. It's coming back. If this thing goes back up to 1700, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, I don't want to talk about it. Don't want to talk about it. Let's get into the P&L though, because the P&L, I finished up having the best week of trading I have ever had thus far. And I'm going to preface this by saying every time I brag on myself, whether it be trading, whether it be at work, whether it be my personal life and relationships, I end up shooting myself in the foot. So I'm going to try not to do that. But I had a great week. I did. I had a great week. So um for me, I had a great week. Okay. I I hit more than the goal in all of the accounts this morning. I put them up, I put them away. If you look at how many trades I used to get here, it's the same as it's been all throughout this. 8 ticks of take profit, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. Is this trading for everyone? Absolutely not. Because if you watch the live stream, you will see how easily it is to lose an account when you don't follow some sort of rules. And I don't have any. My rule is I take profit or lose the account. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so I was able to 3563 is what I pulled down today. Um that gives me 11 days traded in my second funded account. I will be able to request a payout on that account on Monday because that will be when the window is open for Apex to make a withdrawal. There's $8,000 now in that account. I couldn't be happier with that. And the account that I just took a payout on, I've got its balance back up to 7,500. In 19 days traded. Again, I don't want to sit here and brag too much. I did good this week. Uh, and there is the rest of the P&L for all 5 days this week. Pretty solid week for me. Pretty solid week for me. I will be much happier if at the end of the week next week that these say 5100 plus in them. Uh it is so easy for me to lose one of these accounts if I don't get it across the goal line. I, I have a good run going. I just need to continue that run into next week, through next week. Um, yeah, yeah. So there is life changing money to be made if I just stick to the plan. 8 ticks, get out. 8 ticks, get out. And what is that? Six trades, I think. 6 trades, and that gives me my profit target, and then move on to the next group. Um, and that is really all I got. As always, I very much appreciate you all tuning in. I took next week off of work. I am going to live stream my little cans off all week long. So if you want to come along for the ride, feel free to. I think the market's closed on Monday, but I will be streaming all throughout the week next week. Uh, if you can't tell, Russ kind of likes the market a little bit, kind of like futures, just a little bit. Uh, yeah, I do. Anyway, as always, I very much appreciate y'all tuning in. I will catch you next time. Take care.